Stop using Canvas to create a thumbnail. Create a pro thumbnail with these free AI tools just using your mobile phone. You can now create a pro YouTube thumbnail with this AI that I'm about to show with you. You don't need to pay anything for this AI to generate a pro thumbnail for you. So stop if you are still using Canvas to make a thumbnail like this or this, because if you are using that, you are still like others and you are literally killing your view before anyone can even click. Today I'm showing you the illegal way to create a professional high click thumbnail using 100% free AI tools that looks like this or like this. All this thing is done right from your mobile phone. No Photoshop, no laptop, absolutely zero subscription. Wait, it seems like you are enjoying this video. Why not just join the Okota TV community right now by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow our other social media pages, and in that way you will never miss another video in this series once you have tapped the notification bell. And if you need more explanation in any part of this video, just head to the comment section below and leave a message, because we are here to help and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So let's continue our video. You don't pay anything. We have all been there trying to cut out a background that did work without subscription on a small screen. It look messy, or finding the perfect front only to see a pro watermark that make it look like this. If you are also passing through that, or you have passed through that before, don't worry, and you have found a way to bypass all that stress. These AI tools do the hard work for you in a seconds. By now you're supposed to know that the YouTube algorithm does not care how much you pay for your thumbnails. It only cares about the CTR, and I have discovered that this specific AI design are triggering the YouTube algorithm to push video to millions of people because they look expensive. So I'm going to show you exactly all you need to know about this pro thumbnail and the secret on how you can plot the AI. So if you are ready to finally grow your channel in this year using just your phone, drop a comment by saying yes in the comment section right now. So let's dive in.
For you to design the pro thumbnail for your YouTube video, this is where you will go. You go to your browser. Inside your browser you type studio.youtube.com. After you type it, you send it and it will direct you to your YouTube studio. And if you are using a mobile phone, make sure you turn on your desktop mode by going to the three dot at the top corner of your browser where the arrow is directing to. After you touch the three dot, locate desktop mode or desktop layout or desktop site, just like what is showing here. And you can see the example here showing on the screen. So you turn this on, you make sure you turn the desktop mode on. So I'm going to turn it on. After you turn it on, it will now display as if you are using a laptop. So you can see from here now that is showing on my screen. Once you have opened your YouTube studio, the next thing you're going to do is that at the top of the studio, which is, you will see studio here, then at the front of it you look for this sign where the arrow is pointing to. So you click it. You can see the sign from here. You look for this arrow, you look for this point where the arrow is pointing to. So you touch it. Once you touch it, it will open. It will open something like this to you. It will open something like this to you where you will see Ask Studio, where it will also show hello, then your name will follow. You can, how can I help you? So from here now, what you will do is that you come to this option here, ask something. You click it, you just touch it and you type what you want the AI to design for you. So after you touch it like that, for example, I want to design a thumbnail about the disadvantage of AI and the advantage of AI in this generation. So from there now, I will prompt the AI to design the thumbnail that will catch up the YouTube algorithm, and it will attract any viewer that come across the video. So for you to do that, you type, first of all, type generate a YouTube thumbnail based on this topic, bracket, there you now type the topic there, which is the title. You input the title. So from here now type the title of the video that I want to create. So let me type from here the difference disadvantage of AI and the advantage of AI in our generation. Then you bracket it.
On the other hand, if you want your picture, if you have already upload video on that your channel, if you want the AI to use your face from that video, which is any video that you have already uploaded in that your channel, if you want the AI to use the face of that video, your face in that video, to design the thumbnail, you will also prompt it here. So I will also prompt it from here, I will also prompt it from here now, telling the AI to use my face from any of my previous video to design the thumbnail. So I will type, and you must use any of my previous video to generate the thumbnail. So from here now, I've instructed, or I've prompted the AI to design a thumbnail of difference, to design the thumbnail, the disadvantage of AI and the advantage of AI in our generation. And you must use my previous video to generate the thumbnail. You must use my previous face video to generate the thumbnail. So in this prompt now, the AI will generate the video, the AI will generate the thumbnail, and at the same time it will select from your previous video the face that show in that your previous video. It will select from there and use it to design the thumbnail. So let me send all the prompt from here now for you to see the result, how it looks like. So you can see from here now that it's loading. You can see showing, getting, you can also see showing different things on the screen, looking through your content. You can also see review your request. You can also see choosing the best option. Make sure you have network for you to use this particular prompt, because if you don't have enough network or data, you will not be able to get access to it. So you must have enough data and network for it to work perfectly. So you can see refining the visual concept.
You can also see creating your thumbnails. So like this now, the AI is looking for the best video or the face that will match the thumbnail on this particular topic that I'm about to design the thumbnail for. So you can see adding final touches. So you can see from here now, you can see our prompt here. This is the prompt that we sent to the AI. So this is the result that the AI gave us. In this option 1 is all about split screen. So you have one part here and you have the other part on the other side, which is the advantage and the disadvantage. So there is other option that is still going to come up, which is at the bottom, and you can see it here. You can see from here now, which is the concept 2 or certain statement. You can see here AI trap, and you see the AI here. You see my picture here. So you can see my face at the corner of the thumbnail. Then when you see this one, you also see my face here. You also see my face at the middle. You see the disadvantage, and you see the advantage, and you see my face at the middle. You also see the disadvantage at the corner. So all you have to do for you to get or to download it, you just touch it, you hold on it, you hold on the image, then you save it to your SD card. So you save it to your SD card. You can see after holding the image for some seconds, then this option now pop up where you can see download, ask AI and cancel. So the next you're going to do, you click on this download. So I'll click it for you to see how it look like. So I've downloaded it, and for me to use it now, you first of all view it on your gallery. So you can see it here now that I've already downloaded the thumbnail. So this is the easiest way you can use this AI to download. You can use this AI to create a pro thumbnail for your YouTube videos without spending a dime to any other apps like the Photoshop, the Canva, any other app that you use to design your thumbnails before. You don't need any of them. With this particular option here, you can just prompt it anything you want how the background to be. You can describe it to the AI, and the AI will give you exactly even more better than what you describe to the AI here. So that is how you do it. While the second one, you can see it here. You can see the second one here. So if I want to download it now, I also hold it for a second, then I go to save, then I download. So you can see that I've downloaded the two thumbnail. So that is how you do it. And these two thumbnail now, I will bring it up for you to see it how it also look like in the video.
Wait, it seems like you are enjoying this video. Why not just join the Okota TV community right now by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow our other social media pages, and in that way you will never miss another video in this series once you have tapped the notification bell. And if you need more explanation in any part of this video, just head to the comment section below and leave a message, because we are here to help and we will get back to you as soon as possible.